Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create numbered lists on Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Don't worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. So, let's get started. First, please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, let us create a new Google Docs file by opening our Google Chrome and heading to the search bar, either here or here, and typing in Google Docs. Now, as you can see, after we hit enter, it gives us tons of results to choose from. However, we would like to focus on the first link right here. Click it once and it will redirect you to this page right over here. Now, once you're in this page, click on Go to Docs, opening a new tab and an interface like this. Now, let us start a new document by clicking on Blank Document. Now, it is completely up to you. You can choose a resume format, a letter format, a project proposal format, and many other formats. But in my case, I would like to go with a blank document. As you can see, after we hit blank document, it will give us the blank canvas. And from here, we can start creating our document. You can change the file name right over here, but I would like to keep it this way. Now, let us focus on the main objective of this video, which is to create numbered lists. To create numbered lists, please navigate to this section right here, which as you can see have tons of options to choose from. But as you can see right here, we got two bullet options right here. Now, these are both list options. This creates an icon, and we would like to focus on this one, a numbered list. Just click on it once, and as you can see, it creates a number 1 right here, which is the start of our bullet list or numbered list. Now, as you can see, if I type, now I would like to create a number 2 as my numbered list. To do that, just click enter on your keyboard, and as you can see, it automatically types number 2. To create number 3, do the same. And number 4, do the same as well. Just hit enter once on your keyboard. Just like that. Now, let's say I want to exit on the numbered list mode. How do we do that? Click enter once on your keyboard and then backspace twice. 1, 2. Now as you can see, we are back on the default format of our text. Now I can type in there you go. As simple as that, we have now created a number list on Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Goodbye.